I'm here in the Piazza Salimbeni in Siena. It's named after that 14th century palace that you see behind me, which on its right-hand side is flanked by the Palazzo Santucci. And to its left by the Palazzo Spannocchi. And these buildings create this distinct piazza that you see, which is actually home to one of Italy's most important entities, and that is a bank called Monte dei Paschi. And in fact, the Monte dei Paschi Bank is the oldest extant bank in the entire world, founded in the year 1472 and still very much active today. And in fact, up until recently, was the fourth largest bank in Italy. Now, depending on who you talk to, the industry that we call banking today was either born here in the city of Siena or just a bit further north in the city of Florence, and in fact was an industry that facilitated the trade that characterized these great medieval republics.